listen, I have a little bit of a surprise for you and a challenge for these guys. We've decided to shoot episode 9 in one take. That means we're not turning off the camera, we're just rolling all the way through. Do you think we can do it? It's a pretty tall order. Can we do it?
Yeah!
All right, let's get started, episode 9. Come on in, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to the 9th episode of the 6th season of The Shark Show. My name is Grace,
Riley,
Jonathan,
and Harrison.
and let's get on with the announcements.
On March 19th, it is the start of quarter 4.
and also on March 19th, 9th grade presents Utopian Societies.
And also on March 19th, there's gonna be a ladies soccer versus Leanne Junior High, and it's an away game.
Let's go Sharks! Yeah!
March 23, Parent-Teacher-Student Conference.
And also on March 23rd, the men's volleyball is versing E-Show. Let's go!
Sharks!
Yeah!
Also on March 23rd, ladies soccer are going to go against KAS, and the game is also at KAS. So go Sharks!
And on March 23rd to 24th, there's gonna be an ACSC track meet at Taichung. Go Sharks!
Go Sharks! March 24 is Talent Show.
Good luck, everyone.
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty exciting.
Yep.
On March 28th, the kindergarten visits the zoo.
And on March 29th to 30, there's going to be a math Olympiad.
And on April 2 to 6, it's Easter break.
Yeah!
Yeah!
April 14th, Morrison
Soccer and volleyball exchanges at Taichung.
And it's for the high schoolers. And that's it for the announcements.
And let's get on with the show.
Let's go! Yeah!
Bye.
Today's question will be, which class's grade are you most nervous about for the report card?
Yeah.
Let's go.
For me, probably math.
Okay.
No. PE probably? I don't know.
Math. Social studies.
Science!
Okay. Music and music. Okay.
Science or PE?
And math.
So that does it for Man on the Street. Let's get back to random thoughts.
Random thought! I was thinking the sinking of the Titanic might have seemed like a miracle to the lobsters in the kitchen. Ha ha ha.
Excuse me. Uh-oh.
How do you do this?
Wow, it's actually really
Wait,
easy.
hey, enough of the magic tricks. Let's just interrogate Ellen. She looks really suspicious.
Oh, yes. Oh, wait. What?
Fine.
I'm still mad about this, but you seriously need to teach me how to do that.
Ellen, your dog ate my science homework. I'm starting to think it was on purpose.
I'm telling you, Charlie, I didn't bring him to study hall.
I was just walking down the hallway minding my own business when all of a sudden I saw Peanut. I didn't remember bringing him to school, so I was like, Peanut, what are you doing here? He must have followed me from home. So I picked him up and I snuck him into the study hall because I was running late and no one was really watching. But then I really didn't do it on purpose.
Well, so you're telling me that your dog just appeared there for no reason?
I told you he must have followed me here.
Okay, I believe you.
You do? Thank you, Charlie.
No problem.
Okay, I'm innocent, Charlie's innocent, and Alan's innocent. Then who is it? Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to watch more of our videos.
And see you next time. Although
Yeah.
there'll be a new.
There'll be a new
New season,
cast.
that's
There'll
sad.
be a new crew.
I know you guys will love us the most. We're the best ones, yeah.
Yeah, we're the totally best ones.
Oh my god, we're late for class.
Oh my god!